Recently, after Facebook announced its plans to become a metaverse company, the idea of the metaverse shot up in popularity. Guess what's happening ever since? The metaverse virtual real estate market is increasingly rapidly in 2022, with millions going into it. But hey, do you know why people are investing millions of money in the virtual world? I bet not. Then sit back and let's talk about this in today's video. But before then, welcome to our channel where we share everything that you need to hustle from home. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Let's get going. More and more investors are exploring investment opportunities in this fast-growing new space, buying virtual land in the leading digital world of metaverse. Are you new to the whole idea of metaverse? Just relax, I will be giving you a brief idea of what it is. One way to think of the metaverse is a recreation of our physical world digitally, thus creating a virtual world that cuts across all spheres of life, such as education, healthcare, entertainment, and gaming, self-reflection and identity, business, and more. As the metaverse continues to take the world by storm, there's no doubt that investors should be taking these early signals as a sign to tap into the growth opportunities early. The metaverse virtual real estate market size is projected to reach $790 billion by the year 2028. According to research by Intelligence Market Report, the popularity of the metaverse real estate market is skyrocketing, with various investors willing to pay millions of dollars for plots of virtual land. Metaverse real estate platforms allow users to buy land, build stores, and art galleries within a virtual reality environment. It is an independent virtual economy enabled by digital currencies and non-fungible tokens. A metaverse represents a combinatorial innovation as it requires multiple technologies and trends to function. What is virtual land and why are investors buying it? Real estate is one of the world's most popular asset classes. It also now exists in the digital realm. Virtual land is intangible land that exists in virtual worlds. The number one reason why investors are buying it is because of its value. Virtual land in the budding metaverse has been selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. The price of plots of land are determined by most of the same factors as one does when determining the value of actual real estate. Location, lot size, existing structures, and demand all play a big role in the cost of buying and selling land within the virtual world. Secondly, investors are able to put their virtual pieces of land into use and earn an income from them. If you own virtual land, you can host exclusive events or parties and charge those who attend. For example, American rapper Snoop Dogg hosted an exclusive party on the Sandbox's non-fungible token platform to reconstruct his real-life mansion. Attendees needed to have an NFT, which acted as a pass and gave them access to the event. Thirdly, investors can generate regular income from their virtual lands. For example, you could build a virtual house using NFTs on your virtual land and rent it out for monthly income, or set up an NFT art gallery and rent the space to up-and-coming crypto artists to showcase their work in the metaverse. And lastly, the most interesting of them all is that you can earn tangible resources and assets in the metaverse, which can be exchanged for other digital and real-world goods. Whoa, it's surprising, right? You've seen it already with several blockchain projects where it is possible to earn a living merely by playing games. Are you still wondering why the hype about metaverse? There's a lot of excitement around metaverse. Yes, I know, it can't be denied. However, it's not the usual hype of a quick get-rich syndrome. It's a big reality of what's going on in the world. We all know the real money bags are the investors. Investors are considered to be the truly rich, the top 5% that rules the economy. So, should you be presented the opportunity to join now, then be quite sure it won't last for long. Moreover, activities that currently take place in our physical environments will eventually take place in a single metaverse, such as purchasing outfits and accessories for online avatars, buying digital land and constructing virtual homes, participating in a virtual social experience, shopping in virtual malls via immersive commerce, using virtual classrooms to experience immersive learning, buying digital art, collectibles, and assets, interacting with digital humans for onboarding employees, customer service, sales, and other business interactions. Why do you need to purchase it now? Why is the virtual land valuable to you and me? The metaverse virtual land is much more useful than just for building a home. Through various mechanics, they can add incredible monetary value to your metaverse presence. For example, on virtual land, you can Develop a business. If you are a creator in the metaverse, owning land is vital to deploying your own gaming experience. On land, you can create games, events, stores, and even casinos that can all be monetized. For instance, you can make your own NFT clothing that users can visit and shop at. Developing a full-fledged virtual business. Gather rare sources. Some crucial resources to enhance your metaverse experience can only be gathered through land ownership. Users are able to stake coins on their land or mine their plots to acquire them. Sometimes these resources are vital to creating scarce and valuable NFTs, while in other cases, they are just unique cosmetics for your avatar. Use it as advertising space. On virtual land, you can advertise your real-life business. Equally, you can promote metaverse events, such as the release of a new game, NFT collection, etc. Moreover, you can rent out this advertising space to other companies that want to gain more exposure in the metaverse. Rent it out for passive income. Even if you don't plan on creating virtual world experiences, you can still generate some cash from your land. You can rent out to other creators or businesses and charge rent for the service. This is just a small collection of the things you can do on your virtual land. Various metaverses are adding more use cases to their land all the time, so make sure you keep updated on the best way to make profits with your virtual land. Now to the big question. How do I purchase a virtual land? Decentraland is one of the top blockchain-based virtual reality platforms that enables users to purchase land, play games, host events, and interact with each other in multiple ways. It's the largest virtual universe in the NFT space that has its own tokens. Just like physical land, it's also sold as plots and can be purchased using the specific land's currency. Each piece of land on Decentraland measures 16 meters by 16 meters and is represented as an NFT. The number of pieces of land on Decentraland is capped at 90,000, which helps create scarcity. Anyone can buy, rent, or sell land on Decentraland, either via OpenSea, an NFT marketplace, or through Decentraland's official marketplace. Now that you know what Decentraland is, let's get on to a step-by-step guide on how you can buy land in Decentraland directly from its marketplace. Step 1. Go to Decentraland Marketplace. To begin with, you will need to visit Decentraland's marketplace and sign in or sign up if you aren't already. Once signed in, browse to Parcels and Estates. Then, click on View All. Step 2. Select a parcel of land. The next step is to browse through the available pieces of land and select your preferred choice of land. The advantage of buying land in Decentraland directly from the marketplace is that you can get to see the neighboring areas and the proximity to famous areas. Once you have selected your piece of virtual land, proceed to click on it to read about it in detail. Here, you will see the price of the land in mana, availability, and the owner's name. Tap on Buy to make the purchase. Step 3. Connect your wallet to the Decentraland Marketplace. To make the purchase, you will need to ensure that your wallet is connected to your account, as the land will be sent to your wallet as an NFT once the purchase is successful and completed. If you don't have a wallet, you can download wallets such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Remember, your preferred wallet needs to have enough mana or Ethereum for you to make the purchase. Additionally, you need to have some tokens to take care of the gas fee. Step 4. Confirm your virtual land. Once the purchase is complete, you can confirm your land on your wallet. If you are using Trust Wallet, you can confirm the same under Collectibles and under the NFTs tab in the MetaMask wallet. To conclude this wonderful video, let me remind you that while NFT land remains an incredible investment opportunity, regardless of whether you are a game designer, NFT creator, or a simple investor, owning land could become a considerable source of passive income as the metaverse grows. Additionally, the added scarcity and demand will increase the value of this land, giving you a chance to make profits by selling it at a higher price in the future. Here we are at the end of today's video. Feel free to ask your questions down below, and we're going to be trashing them out in our next video. However, for you not to miss out on any of this, you've got to press the notification bell by the corner, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Stay informed and see you next time.